Here we have a FPV Sim Link unit. On the front edge, there is a USB-C port which will supply the device with power. First, we'll connect power using the USB-C cable. The device boots up immediately and initializes. Next, there is an HDMI port for video input. The reset button restores the device to its default state. The band button cycles between bands A, B, and E. The channel button cycles through channels 1 through 8, and the format button toggles between NTSC and PAL video output. Now we'll configure the device to match the FPV goggles frequency. Pressing the band button cycles to band B, and pressing the channel button a couple of times steps through channels until we get to channel 3. Looking through the goggles, the simulator video feed is now being received. The white LED indicates the selected channel, and the green LED on the right confirms band B is selected. Now you can see the ARC Technology website being streamed through our HDMI source. Pressing the reset button returns the device to its default state. We'll set the device back to band B, channel 3. Once the frequencies match again, the video feed reappears in the goggles. That is it. Plug and play setup.